Féile na Carraige is embedded in West Belfast. As local activists, we are proud of our area and we are determined to build on foundations bequeathed to us by previous generations. Thus, the events and projects being showcased aim to create space and encourage people to think critically and take control of their own destiny. This Féile intends to challenge, inspire, and more importantly, involve as many people as possible in a way that normalises a can-do culture of solidarity and collaboration. We provide local people with the opportunity to engage and reflect on their own history, their community, and their politics and culture. This starts right here in our community. It gives platform to transformative community projects that have been developed organically from a language movement that is committed not only to the reconquest of the language, but also to genuine social change. We believe that ordinary people can change things for the better, and that successful acts of resistance breed confidence in the politics of hope. We celebrate the creativity and ingenuity of a special community that has overcome insurmountable odds and attracted international attentions to our struggle for justice. For us, the personal is political, and the political is the personal. We use film, lectures, panel discussions and community theatre to investigate aspects of our history of struggle. It is to not only celebrate these rousing achievements, but more importantly, to inspire us in the present. In addition to the debate, reflection and heated discussion, we always ensure that light-hearted fun and entertainment are crucial to the Féile. Daddy Roy, a prominent novelist, stated, "Another world is not only possible, she is on her way. On a quiet day, I can hear her breathing."